Morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Pratiharas or Gurjaras. Please remember that Gurjara is also known as Pratiharas. The together Gurjara Pratiharas was the actual name, and they were ruled between 753 to 983 CE. As you can see, my playlist here about 800 plus question papers have been given. You can directly go through them and you can even share it to your friends. As you can see, the founder of Gurjara Pratiharas was Nagabhatta 1. Please remember, you have to remember whoever the founder and whoever the last ruler, which is very important. The founder of Gurjara Pratiharas was Nagabhatta 1, but the real founder is asked, then Vatsaraja has to be given. But they believed that Harishchandra was the one. It is little bit controversy. You have to go through like this. Whatever the options have been given, the real founder he has asked are who all are the founders of Gurjara Pratiharas, which are confusable. So you have to give all the three options are correct. But if you have been given Harishchandra, you write the Harishchandra as the answer. If you be given the real founder, then it has to be Vatsaraja. Then the founder is Nagabhatta 1. So whatever the options, depending on the options, you have to give the answers of Gurjara Pratiharas founder. Next, we have the meaning of Pratiharas means doorkeepers, which is very important. That is the doorkeepers, that they are known as Pratiharas. The geographical name of Gujarat was adopted from Gurjara. So we can remember whatever the Gujarat have been formed, state Gujarat, that has been taken from the Gurjara Pratiharas itself. That is the reason Gujarat has been adopted from this name. The tripartite struggle was fought during the time of Vatsaraj and defeated Dharampala. I told you there was a fight between Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakuta and Palas. Whatever was happened between those three, that struggle was tripartite struggle that was happened during the time of Vatsaraja and defeated the Dharampala. Next we have Nagabhatta 2, who controlled Kanauj, was defeated by Govinda 3, belongs to the Rashtrakuta dynasty. Mihir Bhoja 1 was the powerful king, minted the silver coins. Those coins are known as drum, and named himself as Adi Varaha. So we have to remember Mihir Bhoja 1 is also known as Adi Varaha because he had minted the silver coins that coin's name was Drum. Next we have Mahendra Pala, who is also known as Maharajadi Raja, defeated Indra 3. Please remember, whatever the kings were coming one after another, they are the next successors. Initially Nagabhatta 2 has come, Mihir Bhoja has come, and followed by Mahendra Pala, who is also known as Maharajadi Raja. He had defeated Indra 3. What is the capital of Gurjara was? We knew that is whatever the war was happened, the tripartite war between these, the winners are Gurjara Pratiharas. They made Kanauj as capital. So remember this. Even Gurjara's capital was Kanauj. Mahipala 1 have taken over and he was defeated by Indra 3. So remember that the Mahipala 1 have taken over and he was defeated by Indra 3. And Al-Masudi, we should remember there was a guy, that is Al-Masudi, who had come from Baghdad during the time of Mihir Bhoja. So he has come in the time of Mihir Bhoja. Rajapala had succeeded Mahipala. After Mahipala, Rajapala has come and attacked by Mahmud Ghaznavi. As you can see how exactly Mahmud Ghaznavi looks like. He had attacked in 1018. He has attacked by whom? He has attacked on whom? Rajapala. So he had attacked on Rajapala and he had come and he was strong. He was not strong enough to attack the Chandel ruler Vidyadhar. So Rajapala was weaker because of his weaker political power. So Chandel ruler had decided to kill Rajapala, whose name is Vidyadhar, was the Chandel ruler. That Vidyadhar killed Rajyapala because of his weaker politics. The last ruler of Gurjara Pratiharas, you have to remember, Yasapala was the last ruler of Gurjara Pratihara. So we have to remember the first ruler, whoever is given, and the last ruler, which are very important. As you can see, we'll just go through the founder of Gurjar Pratihara. Nagabhatta 1 was the founder, and next real ruler Vatsaraja, but believed that Harishchandra. If they are asked the last ruler, you have to remember the last ruler, that is Yasapala was the Gurjar Pratihara's last ruler. Please remember, these are all various important questions. As you can see, Nagabhatta 1 followed by Vatsaraja and Nagabhatta 2, Mihir Bhoja, Mahendrapala, Mihirpala, and Rajapala and Yasapala was the last ruler. So these are the Gurjar Pratiharas. Whatever the tree, you can directly go to whatever has been given. So you can directly remember whatever has been taken. This has been taken from the various YouTube resources. I request you guys to call me on 7666730252 or message me by WhatsApp. You will be given 2100 PDF of GK and GS for various competitive examinations, which is a good content. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.